Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today's video we will see one more product unboxing, and this product unboxing is quite interesting because of 1 month ago I purchased iPhone 14 Pro, and this is expensive phone, so sometimes if phone is falling down in your hand, in the sofa or any kind of table, so the phones are sometimes little damaged. So how you secure this one, so you can always purchase such kind of cases. I purchased this one leather case, but this look like is not good, so that point of view I purchased new one, and that product is transparent. I'm purchasing this one in Amazon, located on Germany, and this case cover price is just only 10 euro. So we'll see which types of product I'm receiving. So here is product inside. This is very unique brand, the product here, especially in European. The video is not sponsored, that's why I'm not telling this brand name, but you can see here, and you can purchase also. I already provide this video link, the link in video description, the product link. So look at this. If you want receive any kind of guarantee related information, so scan this QR code and receive the guarantee, but no need to special guarantee. This is our product. Oh, it's so rich, lavish, and quite interesting. Now here is my phone. I just simply fix out here. Oh, so now, because of now I'm traveling to India, and Indian people are very fascinated about the iPhone product, and especially this is iPhone 14 Pro, and if I use this leather case, so no one are looking properly. So this is a marketing. I can purchase Apple products also. So this is a, but it's quite good if my phone is falling down like this, so I am not worried too much after wearing this case in my iPhone 14 Pro. It's quite good as my experience, my point of view. If you want buy such kind of case, so you can visit on description, click and purchase if you are living in Europe. Otherwise the same product available on India or UK or US also. Just visit and purchase this product. So guys, if you really like this unboxing of iPhone 14 Pro case, so please hit the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.